Friends, welcome to PLC in Action YouTube channel. Today we will see the counters, how we can use the counters in the PLC program. I can just show as per our regular videos. I will show the how we can use it. Okay, just click instructions, and here there is a counter operation. You will find the counters. These three counters are the major one. The first one is a CTU. It means count up. If you want to increase your count in upward direction, like increment, you can use this one. If you want to decrement, count down, then you can use CTD. If you want to use both, then CTUD. Okay, first we'll check this one. Count up. Whenever drag, you will get a 1 dB along with it. This dB will open it, so we can know how it will work. Okay, so here the CTU, right? This is the count input. We just put here, and if you want to R mean reset, if you want to reset your PV means example, if your count reached, okay, if you want to set, okay, 5 count, once the count 5 term your input is reached, then you want to reset the your value, right? That application we can use this bit. Okay, I will just put 0.0 here. I will use 0.1 here. I'm using MW10 PV. CV means output current value. These all integers, so I'm just using the MW. We will download. Load. Okay, we'll go online both place. Okay, we can check the PV. It means 5. It is there the value. It means we need in our, we set our counter to be a maximum count is 5. So if you want to use the in your program maybe whatever the count, you can set the count here. Okay, this is the input signal. Whenever the input reach to 0 to 1, we'll get the 1 count up. Okay, we'll get the count up here. Okay, I will make it to 1, 2, 3. Why it is not increasing? Yeah, why it not increasing means M0.0 it is on. It means it will reset the value. Okay, I'm just make it off. We'll check now. Okay, I'll make it to 0 to 1. You see the count of input is on. You are getting the current value is a 1. Okay, off, on, off, on, off. Each time whenever I make it on, it's increasing the one value. Okay, now it will reach the 5. You see, whenever it reaches, there is another additional signal switched on. Whenever your set value reach your output, you will get the QD, the green signal. It is count is reached your set point. You can use it this signal as a maybe whatever the further places if you want to. Once this logic reached 5 times, then you can switch on something. Then use this bit. Okay, then once reach this bit, you want to make it to 1, this reset, it will become 0 now. It means it will reset it, it will start from 0 again. Okay, I can show you one more thing so you can use it. Okay, now we will just make it a automatic reset. Once reach the 5, we'll make it to automatically reset. Okay, I will just make to comparator. We'll use it one comparator. Okay, then we'll use the PV. Will PV is equal to CV. It means the output, right? Then we'll make one coil. That coil will become this one. Okay, I will make the rename tag is reset, count reset. Okay, I'm save it. I'm downloading. Okay, we can check the same thing now. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. You see, when the count reached the 5, what happened? This is equal to 5. It means this count reset is triggered. It is triggering this reset output. So the counter, our counter is reset the output. So it automatically reset the value. So you can use like that in your program. Okay, we'll check the next one. Countdown. Whenever I drag it, you'll get the dB. Okay, the same thing, countdown will make one input. Okay, 1.4. LD means load input, that I can explain you. 16, 18. I open the DB, will download. Here CTD means I already told to count down. So you want the similar, you have to set the initial, your set point as how many counts you want to count down. Then that time if you want to load the value, it means we have your PV and CV should be the same. From that, if you increase your input, countdown input, that become decreasing the value. Okay, so you want to load the value for that, this one. Right now we just set this value as a 5. Okay, we are load input means we'll make it to 1. You see, whenever you make it to 1, this become your output. It means 5 count, it will reduce 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's a 1. We'll make it to 0. Now we can check. Okay, in the meantime, you can check the dB also. Okay, well, on. You see, whenever I start the input, the output reduced to 4. Okay, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. That's it. Okay, it keep on counting down. So this is the one. Same way you can use it similar, like it's reached this 0, then you load the input. So it is make, you can make a similar kind of automatic loop. You can loop again. Okay, then we can check the last one. Count up and down. Okay, same here. You see, we are getting the both count to one up one input, count down one input, reset one input. Okay, load one input, PV. Okay, MW we will make them 20, MW 22. Oh, it may be real. Okay, MG 24. What is the data? Okay, we'll use first this, then we can check that out. Sometimes create like that. It's a boolean, that's why it was okay. M 3.4. what is this? Wait, I will check that because I never use the up and down in my stuff, so I will check one more time. Status of down counter, its output. Okay, then why it is not allowing me to? Yeah, yes, because okay, now it's okay. I'll download. Okay, we will set our PV. It is interesting, only one PV, right? It will increase based on your input. Whenever CU is up, it will increase. Whenever CD is up, it will decrease. So we'll make 10 as our PV. You see, now increase 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you count down, it is decreasing. You see, so it is where you can use this whatever based on your application. You can use both. Okay, count up, count down, count up, down. Okay, I think today I explained the counter how we can use it in the PLC programming. I think it will be helpful for someone. Thank you. Maybe see you next video, guys. Thank you.